Hi students, how are you? Welcome to the YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss some important question of class 8, which can be difficult to understand for the students. So let's begin. So this is the first question from class 8 R.S. Agarwal exercise 10A. It is somehow difficult, so let's understand it. We are supposing that the lemon price of one lemon will be X, and as it is given in book that 45 lemon is sold. So if price of one lemon is equal to X, then price of 45 lemon is equal to, surely it will be 45X. Then as it is given in book, the loss amount is equal to selling amount of 3 lemons. Then if the selling amount of one lemon is equal to X, then the selling amount of 3 lemon is equal to 3X. This is the loss. And CP, as you have already learned that CP is equal to SP plus loss. We have got the SP, which is 45X, and loss, which is 3X. So we can get the CP. And as we know that loss percent formula is loss by CP into 100%. So we cut this first. We cut this by 3 into 1, it get whole cut. And 48 will cut 16 times, and by 4 we will cut 100, which we get 25, and 16 we will get 4. So answer is equal to 25 by 4%. We can also write it 6 and 1 by 4%. And loss percent is equal to, if we convert it into decimal, we will get 6.25%. so if the answer comes in fraction, the answer will be this 6 and 1 by 4%, and if it come in decimal, the answer will be 6.25%. so if you have any doubt regarding this question, you can ask in comment section. Second question, as you can see in the screen, it is taken from exercise 11A from the same book. So let's solve. As in question there is given that a principal is equal to, means Michael borrowed money is equal to 16,000 rupees from a finance company. And as it is given in the question, rate is equal to 10%, time is equal to 1.5 years. And in formula, what formula says that amount is equal to principal, means what he borrowed, into 1 plus rate is equal to 10%, here is given. And by, if it is compounded half yearly, then here we will multiply into 2, and here we will also multiply into 2. This is the formula. And T for time. And I have put the amounts, I have put the amounts on the formula. So principal, which is given in the book, in the question, 16,000 into 1 plus rate, which is 10. It is compounded half yearly, so we will multiply here into 2, and here also into 2. When we will multiply 2 into 1.5, it will become 3, which is written here. And we will multiply 2 into 100, that will become 200, and we will take LCM. So after doing all that, 16,000 into 210, because here is a cube, then we will multiply the same number by 3. 210 by 200 into 210 by 200 into 210 by 200. We will repeat it 3 times, because here we have got the power 3. So 10 and 10 get cut. Here also 10 cut, 10 cut, and from this 0 cut, and from this 0 16,000 cut, and from this 0 it becomes 16. From 2 it will become 8, and from 2 it will become 4, and again from 2 it will become 2. And we will multiply 2 into 21 into 21 into 21. So you can multiply it by yourself. The answer comes 18,522. So this is the answer. Watching the whole video, I hope you understood it. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay connected.